You qualified it in your third attempt. Lucky enough to get it in your second attempt itself. But yes, a desirable rank, a good one in your third attempt. Obviously, cycle up and down से भरा होगा. कभी utmost top पे है, कभी down है. Motivation, demotivation is a part of this exam itself.
Yes, sir.
So how did you tackle it? Like motivation part तो ठीक है, बहुत पढ़ाई कर ली.
सही
Demotivation part कैसे?
बात. Sir, I think I tried to draw a lesson from everything that I went through.
That I can
After
see.
crying.
Yes.
After I cried my best for that. I wouldn't say don't express trauma, please do. So after I cried at every stage or failure for about 2 to 3 days, I was like, what lesson can we draw from this?
So you have a routine, you have a cycle, you understand
Yes,
that?
exactly. And lesson not just in terms of the exam, but life lessons that UPSC has taught me. I feel वही सिखाया है कि टेंशन तो कभी खत्म होगी नहीं. चाहे आपका एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाए, चाहे आपका एक स्टेज खत्म हो जाए, you have to find the motivation from within yourself as well as from the people who love you.
Hello everyone. So today with us is Riya Saini. This year All India rank 22. Congratulations Riya.
Thank you so much, sir.
चलिए कैसा लग रहा है अभी?
धीरे धीरे feeling is sinking in and I think it will take a few more days.
Great. वैसे Riya, this is the second experience I believe. Last year also you were selected.
Yeah, this is the second experience, but it feels more special because last year it was in the reserve list, so I had to wait for many months in order to get my name in the list.
But that's a great achievement. Great. Getting
Thank you so
rank
much.
22, improving it in a year, that's really a big one.
Thank you, sir.
Great. So Riya, let's try to understand your entire preparation journey. So ये आपका तीसरा attempt था.
हाँ जी,
Right.
yes, sir.
And you have done it by all yourself. So
Yeah,
can
I've
you walk
tried
us
to.
through? Yeah, and you have done well.
Yeah.
Not tried to. I believe you have done really well.
Yeah.
So walk us through like first साल आप कैसे देख रही थी, दूसरे साल कैसे खुद को improve किया, तीसरा साल इस साल when you are having such a kind of rank, how you have evolved through. Tell us or walk us through the 3-year process.
Yes, sir. So I decided to opt for civil services after my 4th year. So I did not sit for placements and I took a year gap. And in that year, I wholeheartedly prepared for civil services and I thought that this is going to be my attempt, first and last for me. But of course, God had other plans. I could not qualify for prelims. I think I missed by 3 to 4 marks. So I've of course got to know that on the day of prelims itself that I wouldn't be qualifying, and of course there were tears and misery all around. But I did take about 10 to 15 days to recalibrate my strategy and what went wrong. The major reason was not really my lack of preparation, but my lack of practice, and also my focusing a little too much on studying rather than simulating real-time exam. That became an issue when I went and sat for the real exam, and I succumbed to the pressure because I hadn't even marked any paper on the OMR before that. So 5 minutes before the exam, I realized that I hadn't even marked the OMR sheet yet. And when I did that, when I started doing that, my hands were shivering and I knew that this attempt is gone. After that, I recalibrated my strategy. Of course, it was an integrated strategy for prelims and for mains
As well
for
as
about
mains.
6 months. And for that, I knew that even though prelims can be a roadblock, but mains is what will take me through. So I did
Yes.
not want to waste that entire year preparing for prelims just because I had had a setback in
Right.
prelims. So I completed one iteration of mains entirely, including my optional. So I dedicated about 2.5 months to my optional and the other two pre-cum mains for GS.
The 4 GS papers.
Yeah, for the 4 GS papers, and I was entirely done with the syllabus for mains as well before the next prelims. So coming to the second prelims, 2.5 months before the second prelims, I started devoting entire time to pre itself because I had suffered a setback. For that, this time, rather than just reading, what I did was read the PYQs, analyze the trends, and make notes on PYQs.
Okay.
My friend had suggested that instead of simply solving PYQs, take all the keywords in every question that you find from 2013 to 21 2019 or 2020, whatever, and make at least 2 to 3 lines notes on every keyword that you find in the question as well as the options,
Okay.
because they repeat often, and PYQs guided me, and I also solved a few mocks coming to the centers itself. For example, the Power Up series
Yeah,
of
yes.
Vajiram itself also helped me, because I came to the center and I marked
Wrote it,
at least
yes.
2 to 3 tests. The other were online, but I tried to simulate the real time situation as well. So examination, then the prelims exam didn't feel as much of a burden. And secondly, I think so there was a mindset change also in my second
Yes.
attempt, because first attempt I had thought that all hells will break loose if I do not clear in the first attempt, and the world will laugh at me, the world will come to a halt. But of course, nothing of that sort happened. So that gave me perspective. So in my second attempt, I used to listen to Shivji songs a lot. तो वो मैं सुन के बस I surrendered कि मैंने मेहनत कर ली है, अब आपको सही लगेगा तो कर लीजिए, नहीं लगेगा तो ठीक है, जो भी है.
End of the day, faith plays a role.
It does. One has to take a leap of faith in life
Absolutely.
and also in this exam.
True. At least prelims तो बिल्कुल.
हाँ जी.
It is so undefinable to a sense, unpredictable to a sense.
Exactly.
Means at least to a larger extent हमें पता है कि कैसे क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Prelims तो पता नहीं है क्या
सही
होने वाला
बात
है.
है.
But then the mapping that you are talking of makes a lot of sense. जैसे शायद अभी भी ऐसे कई सारे बच्चे हैं जो 1 साल से पिछले प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे, उनको लग रहा होगा कि अब सब कुछ कर लिया, अब तो पेपर निकल ही जाएगा. But it may happen that they may not
Exactly.
qualify.
Exactly.
So if they are preparing, or if it may happen that they are not qualifying, then they need to take some advice from you on that part of mapping.
Yes, sir.
PYQ से themes उठाना है, उनसे
जी.
एक छोटे छोटे short notes create करने हैं. सिर्फ सॉल्व करने से कुछ नहीं होगा.
हाँ जी. So for second prelims, another strategy that I applied was, rather than only focusing on economy, polity, the subjects which most people are strong at, I also focused on science and tech and environment, because most people tend to
Yes.
ignore it. They only refer to I think current monthly magazines,
Yes.
and that is their only source. But I tried कि कुछ base material अगर कहीं से भी हो जाए, या फिर Google या कहीं भी base material, I referred to that, and I tried to make my base strong when it comes to environment and science and tech, so that I
Yes.
could handle the bouncer questions also, and that would give me an edge over the other aspirants.
Absolutely. I think एक ये रिलेशन भी बहुत जरूरी है कि current affairs will happen over and above your static understanding.
Exactly.
Current affairs is not a standalone event.
Yes, sir.
हमको इसलिए कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैगजीन पढ़ लेते हैं, हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
मैगजीन तभी काम आएगा जब आपका स्टैटिक क्लियर
strong
है, आपका फाउंडेशन
हाँ जी.
क्लियर है.
Yes, sir.
ग्रेट पॉइंट. अच्छा, so then your second prelim, this one,
हाँ.
and you comfortably qualified 2
Yeah,
prelims.
second prelims I think was very tough. 2023 वाला था जिसमें
हाँ.
पैटर्न चेंज हुआ था. I got some 100 marks, so वो फॉरेस्ट भी क्लियर हो गया था उस साल.
Okay.
तो coming from not clearing a comparatively easier prelims to clearing the difficult
toughest
one of the toughest one with a relatively great margin.
हाँ.
Mostly mindset change and a little strategy change also.
Right.
Then comes mains. So I had prepared mains before one whole iteration, so it definitely helped me.
So when we say कि हमने means एक iteration पूरा किया
हाँ
है,
जी.
तो how exactly do you say it? I mean, I want to know the parameters so that student can see कि अच्छा ठीक है, या तो हमने basic books खत्म कर ली हैं, या तो हमने किसी एक particular year के PYQs खत्म कर लिए हैं, या तो फिर मैंने syllabus point to point कहीं से पढ़ लिया है. So how do you see it?
So I made sure that for every syllabus point at least मेरे पास resources मैंने एक बार लिस्ट डाउन कर लिए हैं, बिकॉज मेंस हैज डिफरेंट रिसोर्सेज फॉर डिफरेंट सिलेबस पॉइंट्स. रिसोर्सेज एक बार मेरे बहुत ढंग से हो गए थे, प्लस आई हैड गिवन इट वन रीडिंग एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग, PYQ answer writing itself, but about 2 to 3 years only. I could not go beyond that in that particular attempt before prelims, but at least 2 to 3 years was done. And I was also done with my optional reading and a little bit of practice through test series for optional as well.
Right.
So in my second attempt, of course, I couldn't make it to the final list in the so because of mains, and the topics that held me back, or the subjects that held me back, were ethics and socio. So one mistake I had made between pre and mains was focus too much on GS, where the margin is a little less, and almost to the extent that I neglected socio to a large extent, because I had thought that I'll be able to manage socio. हो जाएगा वो छोटा syllabus है, but that came, and that the socio in general proved to be very crucial in that year because it held me back. I just scored about 240 that year in sociology.
In the optional, both the
Yeah,
papers.
in the optional.
Which is less.
Yeah, around
Yes.
120 each,
Right.
each paper. So that gave me a lesson for the next year कि GS में there is only so much scope to take a leap of take a margin ahead
Right,
of your
right,
aspirants, but optional can be your game changer. So I recalibrated my strategy. So after that comes my second attempts interview, and I was extremely ecstatic when I found my name in the mains qualifying list. In the interview,
That feeling is different.
yeah, exactly, sir.
One step at a time.
Hanji.
Yes.
So interview, I did not go for a lot of interviews. I just gave 2 panel mocks and 2 one-on-one sessions, and one was with Ravindran sir.
Absolutely.
And I think I went to him after all my other mock interviews were done for all the guidance, and I asked him many current affairs questions also as to how I should answer those questions.
Yes.
And he told me, because he has a lot of knowledge about almost everything. I remember asking him about, I remember preparing for Agni 5 missile and then asking him to ask me about it. And yet I couldn't answer the questions that he, that he asked. So I got new knowledge again there. And he had correctly predicted my score. He said, you'll get 195. I said, okay, I'll see. And that is the score that I got that year. So
I think for most of the students, this story remains the same. Sir correctly predicted my score.
Okay. Yes, sir. So that happened, and then finally list mein naam nahi aaya. I didn't know where it went wrong.
Okay.
So I was in Ladakh that time. Actually बहुत दिनों बाद family के साथ trip पे गई थी. तो last day था जिस दिन जाना था. तो 16th April, I think, the result came, and I didn't find my name in the list, and suddenly the beautiful Ladakh for me became a depressing place. Yes, sir. And then 2 to 3 days of crying, and then I saw कि mark sheet आ गई है. तो my friend said कि reserve list में हो सकता है. In fact, I didn't even know कि मेरा reserve list में 5 marks से हो जाएगा.
अच्छा.
तो I was short of 5 marks. I got into the reserve list. It was a few months of wait. So I knew कि I can't wait for that long. Of course, I'll be attempting again. तो in 10 to 15 days, I recouped my strength कि prelims नहीं निकला तो फिर से चला गया, because prelims was close again for the third interview.
Yes.
So I applied the same strategy, a few mocks, about 4 or 5 mocks this time only.
Okay.
And PYQs and revise. Only the static portion I revised a lot. Current affairs थोड़ा कम रह गया था उस साल, because time was less.
Obviously.
Yes,
समय
sir.
नहीं था उस समय.
हाँ जी. तो फिर से वही strategy मैंने apply की, and I could clear it. फिर मेंस आया तो अगेन द लेसन दैट आई हैड लर्न फ्रॉम माय सेकंड अटेम्प्ट ऑफ इग्नोरिंग माय ऑप्शनल, आई ट्राइड टू नॉट डू दैट एनी मोर, बिकॉज for 1.5 months around I focused about 60 to 70% of my time on socio.
Okay.
And the rest 30 to GS. Later on, as the time passed by, about 1.5 months later, then I started focusing a little more on GS, say 60% on GS. And
I think वो confidence भी आने लगता है ना कि अब hold आ गया है optional पे.
Exactly. And GS was for me a stronger part than my optional, तो मैंने कहा वो बात के लिए छोड़ सकते हैं. तो वो किया, and ethics में I changed my strategy a little, which
So
also might have focused me, helped me. So ethics, I think last year what I did was I was overcomplicating my answers a little too much, thinking कि अगर मैं बहुत complicated ethical theory लिख दूंगी तो मुझे marks मिल जाएंगे, किसी ने क्योंकि और लिखी नहीं होगी. I was overwriting a lot in my ethics answers, because of which I wasn't even able to complete the paper on time.
Okay.
And case studies I hadn't practiced much. I had just seen a few case studies, practiced 2 or 3. I was like, ये तो हो ही जाएगा. But this time on ethics, I solved 2 to 3 year papers, UPSC papers only for ethics. And apart from that, I made it as simplistic as possible. For every keyword in ethics, what I did was I made small notes wherein I found related examples of that keyword. For example, any keyword है तो उसका religious scripture से अगर आप कोई example उठा सकें, एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एग्जाम्पल, एक एनवायरनमेंट से भी अगर आप कोई एग्जाम्पल उठा सकें, जैसे सेक्रेड ग्रोव्स ही है, दैट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एग्जाम्पल कि वही बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन के लिए. उसके अलावा कोई कोट अगर आपको उसके रिगार्डिंग मिल रहा है, कोई इंटरनेशनल पर्सनालिटी में आप कोई ऐसी क्वालिटी ढूंढते हैं, या फिर कोई इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट में आपको ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है, तो आई हैड लाइक 6 to 7 एग्जाम्पल्स एंड कोट्स रेडी फॉर एवरी कीवर्ड,
Okay.
इंक्लूडिंग अ पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो, अगर कुछ है
अगर
कि
इन केस पूछ रहे
हाँ
था
जी,
ऐसा
अगर
कुछ.
पर्सनल है या फिर समथिंग दैट योर टीचर और योर पेरेंट्स माइट हैव इंस्पायर्ड यू फॉर, जस्ट राइट इट, बिकॉज ethics just make it as simple as possible,
Right.
that the examiner will be able to resonate
Right.
more with that. So that is what I did, and I focused a little more on case studies, practiced a little more case studies. So that is the strategy that I changed, that maybe helped.
that has helped, that we can see that the
Yes,
rank
sir.
has already spoken for. अच्छा, tell me something. जैसे हम जनरली मेंस की तैयारी करते हैं, I'll ask you two question. पहला तो जब हम मेंस की तैयारी करते हैं, there are many subjects which take the primary places like polity, economics, modern India to a larger extent, geography to a larger extent. These are the bigger one. Like ethics is also
Yes, sir.
one of the pillars. We say 5
Yes, sir.
pillars. But then there are smaller subjects also, like world history is there, internal security is there.
Yes.
You say social issue, social justice is there, which you must have got little advantage because of
Sociology, yes, sir.
बिल्कुल. तो ये जो छोटे छोटे subjects हैं,
हाँ.
how did you cover them?
सही बात है. आई थिंक सर इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि you cover these subjects in order to gain an advantage for mains, because people spend like half of their time fretting over economics.
Yes.
Economics के कुछ questions आएंगे, बाकी GS3 you have science and tech, you have environment, you have internal security and disaster management.
There
Sir,
are 5 subjects,
exactly,
5 topics spawned
exactly.
under it.
So
Yes.
my friend also, who's I think who has scored in the top 100 itself this time, he had suggested me this कि GS3 में instead of fretting over the bigger subjects, why don't you focus on internal security, disaster management and subjects like these? And that has actually helped me so much, sir, because these are topics with very high return on investment.
Absolutely, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ पढ़ने को नहीं है.
Exactly.
And question पक्का आएगा.
Question पक्का आएगा, बहुत easy भी रहता है.
Absolutely.
तो for internal security I had referred to Wajiram Yellow Book, because means में कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो हर जगह नहीं मिलती.
Right.
तो I had referred to Wajiram Yellow Book. For disaster management I had extensively used Google. हर डिजास्टर अंडर द सन मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर लिया था. स्ट्रक्चरल, नॉन स्ट्रक्चरल मेजर्स, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स क्या क्या हैं, वे फॉरवर्ड, एंड सम इंटरनेशनल एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. फॉर एग्जांपल आई थिंक फ्लडिंग के लिए देयर इज दिस मूविंग वॉल इन जर्मनी, या फिर सिंपल एग्जांपल्स लाइक स्पंज सिटी ऑफ चाइना. जस्ट यूज देम. So I used Google, and I focused a lot more on these smaller subjects as compared to the bigger ones.
You played smart. That I can see. So
Yes,
you made that thing that सब लोग अगर यहाँ फोकस कर रहे हैं तो मुझे बाकी सब में अपना एज ढूंढना है.
Exactly.
Very nice, very smart move.
Yes, sir.
I think students have lot to learn from you, and especially more than anything is the usage of internet.
Yes, exactly. I
What-
use ChatGPT a lot.
See,
Why-
the point is, I see most of our students wasting a lot of time on social media.
हाँ.
No, internet is a necessary evil.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes necessary, sometime more than necessary, it becomes evil.
Exactly.
Now the point is, if you are smart enough to understand कि internet को कैसे use करें, like you said, ethics, very smartly you prepared. So without almost any assistance from outside, you have made that paper very, very easy for you. Similarly, I can see disaster management. These are all things available, I think, with the click of your mouse,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir. And
That's
one-
really nice, impressive.
Yes.
Impressive, great. Okay, then let's go to other subjects.
हाँ जी. For society, in general, actually, I have an advantage because I
Yes.
am from sociology.
हाँ.
But I would suggest कि people do tend to ignore it. Just make a few key points. For example, caste ले लो, या फिर family ले लो, marriage ले लो. से आजकल इतने सारे topics हैं, जितने भी social topics भी आपको दिख रहे हैं monthly magazines में, वो लेके just prepare certain notes or seek assistance from any coaching material, etc. Apart from that, sir, governance and all also, for role of civil servants, I had examples ready. Many examples ready. Lateral entry के लिए भी I had examples ready कि technocrats की कुछ examples हैं. तो if you just add these small things, it will make your answer stand out.
Yes.
Because everyone is writing the basic stuff, but if you write even a little more than them, a little more value addition, then that can give you that can give you half a mark extra in every answer, which
Absolutely.
will
And that is more
help
than
you.
enough when
Exactly.
you add in 4 papers.
Exactly.
Right.
For world history also, sir, I had referred to Yellow Book because world history मुझे और कहीं से बहुत लंबा
Crisp
लग
way
रहा
में
था,
नहीं मिल
क्रिस्प
रहा
वे में मिल
हाँ,
नहीं रहा था और उसका रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट इतना था नहीं.
हाँ.
वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री आई रेफर्ड फ्रॉम येलो बुक. एंड सोशल जस्टिस तो वही न्यूज़पेपर्स से जो मिल रहा है या फिर जो पहले ही पढ़ा
Plus,
है
you had a
प्रीलिम्स के लिए.
conceptual understanding also, ना उस subject में.
हाँ,
So
एग्जैक्टली.
any edition that you read
हाँ.
from newspaper, it will hit you like this.
Yes, sir.
For others, they might need to refer to a book or to
Yeah,
look at a note.
Yes, sir.
But that is the advantage of your optional that you
हाँ
got.
जी.
Great. Okay. So and what about how did you prepare this art and culture part?
Yes, sir. So primarily for prelims and for mains, I refer to Nitin Singhania book.
Yes.
Apart from that, it just gives you a lot of information which has to be used. But apart from that, I think, sir, reading NCRTs will help you structure and answers in a much better manner.
Absolutely.
हाँ जी. And from now on, I'm seeing that art and culture में UPSC has started asking a little questions which were considered unconventional. तो उसके लिए I think NCRTs में everything is mentioned.
Yes.
If you can read the NCRTs for art and culture and history, I think it will be very helpful. Apart from that, I don't see many people making maps and diagrams in art and culture, which can be very helpful and give you an edge. My friend drew Nataraj in Cholas. वो फिर मैं fret करी थी, why didn't I use it? Why didn't I draw Nataraj? Chola architecture में might have given him even if half a
Absolutely.
mark, 1 mark extra.
See, you never know what is that one mark.
Exactly.
You coming from that reserved list also for a year,
Yes,
you know
sir.
what is one mark.
Yes,
It
sir.
can change your service altogether.
हाँ जी.
जरूरी नहीं है ना कि हर कोई रिजर्व लिस्ट IRTS से IAS
सही
बना
बात
दे.
है, सही बात है,
So
sir.
that is also you were want to make it. So you should understand what is one mark.
Yes, sir.
Great. अच्छा, tell us something like the second question which I wanted to ask. Many a time बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, उनको लगता है कि कंपार्टमेंटलाइज प्रिपेयर करते हैं या फिर अगर इंटीग्रेटेड प्रिपरेशन कर भी लिया, जैसे जून से दिसंबर तक कर भी लिया, तो उनको लगता है कि अब जनवरी से मई तक मुझे एक्सक्लूसिव प्रीलिम करना है. और कहीं ना कहीं एक ऐसा थोड़ा सा मिथ बन गया है कि वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्नड इन प्रीलिम्स, वंस दैट इज डन, देन आपको मेंस के लिए हर चीज नए सिरे से शुरू करनी है, जीरो से शुरू करना है. टेल अस समथिंग लाइक were you able to use the knowledge of your prelims part in the mains exam?
Sir, extensively. I used my prelims knowledge to a large extent in my mains exam. For example, even when I'm reading Lakshmikant, for example, when I'm reading it for pre solely, I just have a green or a red color pen in which I will, when I'm going through a particular chapter, I will mark things which I can use for mains. For example, quotes रहते हैं या फिर जैसे N.A. पालखीवाला ने कुछ बोला है, तो उसके that is of no use whatsoever for prelims. But I used to mark it. ठीक है, आर्टिकल्स सारे मेरे मार्क्ड रहते थे. उसके अलावा कुछ भी गुड एग्जाम्पल्स या फिर सरकारिया कमीशन ने कुछ बोला है, तो वो मेरे मार्क्ड रहते थे. तो उसके बाद आफ्टर प्रीलिम्स व्हाट आई डिड वाज जस्ट स्किम थ्रू लक्ष्मीकांत ओनली टू रीड दोज रेड मार्क्ड the portion of it and use them extensively in my mains. तो सारे जितने भी कोट्स मैंने देखे हैं, आर्टिकल्स एक्सटेंसिवली मैंने देखे हैं, जितने भी केसेस लिखे हैं, एवरीथिंग आई यूज्ड टू मेंशन इन माय मेंस. एंड दिस टाइम आई थिंक GS2 का ये ऐसा दिस प्रिपरेशन आई डिड फॉर थर्ड अटेम्प्ट. तो लास्ट अटेम्प्ट में इट वाज अ डिसेंट स्कोर, बट आई थिंक दिस टाइम माय पेपर वेंट मच बेटर for GS2. And articles also I used extensively. तो prelims का और भी मैंने यूज़ किया है, स्पेशली GS3 में. वेन एवर आई यूज टू रीड GS3 तो एक गूगल डॉक्स में बना लेती थी प्रीलिम्स नॉलेज फॉर एनवायरमेंट मेंस. तो उसमें जितने भी फॉर एग्जांपल कोरल्स का कोई क्वेश्चन आता है तो आप प्रीलिम्स में इतना पढ़ते हैं, जैसे कोरल ट्रायंगल पढ़ते हैं, कोमैप्स पढ़ते हैं, आप बायो रॉक का क्वेश्चन आया था वो पढ़ते हैं. आई यूज टू जस्ट राइट इट डाउन इन माई गूगल डॉक्स एंड रेफर इट टू दैट आफ्टर माई प्री. तो कोरल्स का कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आई विल मेक श्योर आई यूज बायोरॉक, आई यूज क्रायो,
व्हाटएवर डेटा यू हैव गॉट देयर accumulated there,
exactly,
you made sure कि वो कहीं ना कहीं qualitatively यूज हो रहा है. I think for that your mind have to have the cognizance. इतना कॉन्शियसनेस होना चाहिए कि अच्छा ये डेटा जो है ये इंडिपेंडेंट डेटा नहीं है,
exactly,
ये मेंस में इक्वली काम आएगा. आई थिंक अ लॉट टू लर्न फॉर मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को देखा है that they will just go for a simple what do you say unidirectional preparation कि अब ये प्रीलिम्स का है, प्रीलिम्स डन है, मेंस का होगा तो मेंस का जीरो से शुरू करेंगे, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है.
I think all the three stages are very interconnected if you ask
absolutely
me.
I'll tell you something, your so you've got an exceptional marks in interview, right? What's your mark?
This time it's 206.
206, probably one of the highest in India, I'll say.
Okay.
It's very difficult to cross that 205 marks. Sometime 200 to 205 by itself is a superb mark.
Yes, sir.
206 means it's exceptional. Now, if you look at that 206, a good part of it is not just because of the communication, but also because of what you communicated.
Yes, sir.
और वो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी जो conceptual clarity है, जो आपने प्री में तैयारी की है, जो मेंस में तैयारी की है, उसका रिफ्लेक्शन है.
हाँ जी.
तो ऐसा
That
तो
forms the base.
That forms the base.
Yeah.
तो ये तो कभी भी नहीं बोल सकते कि ये पार्ट बस इसी के लिए पढ़ा है, ये पार्ट इसी के लिए पढ़ा और इंटरव्यू अपने लिए पढ़ेंगे.
हाँ जी, नहीं, इंटरकनेक्शंस तो हैं ही. प्री मेंस के बीच में भी हैं, जीएस पेपर्स के बीच में भी हैं. इतना ही डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, ज्योग्राफी, एनवायरनमेंट, ऑल आर इंटररिलेटेड.
Yes, it's a triangle if you can understand.
Exactly. Social justice, society, everything is interrelated. You have to interrelate, and as you
That is
cannot
only
study
the
in
smartest way
silos.
of you cannot. You
Exactly.
cannot. Even the entire syllabus of UPSC has been given in a way. Like बहुत लोगों को मैंने देखा GS4 independently करेंगे. You need to understand. You can only understand the syllabus of GS4 if you are good with your syllabus of 1, 2, and 3 first.
Yes, sir. So now that you mention, actually, this time UPSC changed its pattern a lot when it comes to GS4.
Yes.
I saw कि जो conventional questions होते थे, सिर्फ ethical होते थे, तो वो रहा ही नहीं. इस बार they asked broad GS topics and asked about their ethical dimension, कि
Yes.
AI का ethical dimension, criminal laws का ethical dimension. तो जितने भी broad topics थे GS के, which we were expecting in GS 1, 2, 3 papers.
1, 2, 3 में वो 4 में दिखाई दे रहे हैं.
Exactly, they were asked in 4. So I think ये भी एक, I think aspirants को consider करना चाहिए कि whatever broad topics you're studying, study it from an ethical point of view also.
Right. That is a smart way of actually looking at a topic. Whenever you are looking at a topic, interconnectedness makes a lot of sense.
Yes, sir.
See, ऐसा मेरा strongly मानना है कि we are human beings. So
Yes, sir.
we cannot just remember infinite amount of data in example.
Exactly.
So the smartness lies in interconnectedness. कि
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
एक पॉलिटी का एग्जाम्पल इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी में आ सकता है, वही सेम एग्जाम्पल प्रोबेबली इकोनॉमिक्स में किसी और तरीके से यूज हो सकता
सही
है,
बात है.
उसी को इथिक्स में कैसे यूज कर पाएंगे.
सही
It
बात
makes
है.
a lot of
Yeah.
sense.
I actually use this in my essay also. Essay में मैंने अलग से कुछ notes नहीं बनाए. I went through all the books that I had studied for GS. चाहे वो स्पेक्ट्रम हो गई, मैंने स्पेक्ट्रम पढ़ी, मैंने उसको देखा कि इसमें क्या क्या यूज आ सकता है एस्से में. तो
Okay.
जो ऊपर कोटेशंस दिए रहते हैं ना लोगों के,
हाँ.
तो वो कोई यूज पढ़ता नहीं है उसको. लेकिन आई रेड इट कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने ही बोला था कि फॉर द सर्वाइवल और फॉर द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ द नेशन, आई थिंक यूनिटी ऑफ हिंदुइज्म एंड इस्लाम इज ऑफ अटमोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंस. तो सिंपल कोट्स कहीं आपको स्पेक्ट्रम से मिल जाएंगे, यूज इट. जैसे वही वाला INA ट्रायल्स वाला एग्जाम्पल था. देयर वाज अ सिख, देयर वाज अ मुस्लिम एंड देयर वाज अ हिंदू एट द डॉक. आई नोटेड इट डाउन इन माई essay नोट्स कि ये तो कहीं मुझे यूज करना ही है. ट्रिस्ट विद डेस्टिनी है, कहीं कहीं पढ़ी होगी आपने, वो लिखो अपने ऐसे नोट्स में. सब कुछ यू स्टडीड इन GS कैन बी यूज्ड इन योर essay also.
Actually, essay is also the same thing. I think it's a reflection of your knowledge of your essay, and to a larger extent, optional also.
Yes.
Because optional helps you dive deeper into essay topics.
Yes.
Right. Great. Acha, let's go to something else. Let's come out of the academic
Exam
arena.
mode.
Let's go to this part, which is this preparation is long. You qualified it in your third attempt. Lucky enough to get it in your second attempt itself. But yes, a desirable rank, a good one in your third attempt. Obviously, cycle up and down से भरा होगा. कभी utmost top पे है, कभी down है. Motivation, demotivation is a part of this exam itself.
Yes, sir.
So how did you tackle it? Like motivation part तो ठीक है, बहुत पढ़ाई कर ली.
हाँ, सही
Demotivation part कैसे?
Sir, I think I tried to draw a lesson from everything that I went through.
That I can see.
After crying.
Yes.
After I cried my best for that. I wouldn't say don't express trauma. Please do. So after I cried at every stage or failure for about 2 to 3 days, I was like, what lesson can we draw from this?
So you have a routine, you have a cycle, you understand
yes,
that?
Exactly. And lesson not just in terms of the exam, but life lessons that UPSC has taught me. I feel वही सिखाया है कि टेंशन तो कभी खत्म होगी नहीं. चाहे आपका एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाए, चाहे आपका एक स्टेज खत्म हो जाए, you have to find the motivation from within yourself as well as from the people who love you. ठीक है, तो ऐसा होता है कि प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो गया तो एक टेंशन कम. अब मेंस इतनी जल्दी है, वो कैसे होगा, वो टेंशन है. GS और मेंस कैसे बैलेंस, GS और ऑप्शनल कैसे मैनेज करें, वो टेंशन है. मेंस क्लियर हो गया, अब ये टेंशन है कि इंटरव्यू जल्दी आ गया यार. अब कैसे करें, मॉक्स कैसे दें, मॉक्स तो टेलीवाइज होंगे और वो फिर बेइज्जती हो जाएगी दोस्तों के सामने, वो कैसे होंगे. इंटरव्यू भी क्वालिफाई हो गया, फिर है कैडर कौन सा मिलेगा, सर्विस कौन सी मिलेगी. तो टेंशन तो is a part and parcel of your life, but how you deal with it, either with a smile or you treat it as a lesson or you succumb to it, is absolutely your
Call, your choice.
हाँ जी.
True.
और motivation के लिए sir, I think I've been very privileged in that matter because my family has been my biggest support system. They've been my pillars of strength, not just for this exam, but my entire life. There is nothing that I asked them कि मुझे ये करना है and they said नहीं. Chahe, even if it was in school, to manage my co-curriculum with my studies. I used to always like sports and music and all along with my studies. So they used to actually encourage me to go and pursue whatever I want to. And they never ever once blamed me for any failure in my life. Not just this, I think 11th 12th में बहुत पढ़ाई की, जेई नहीं निकला ढंग से, मेंस निकल गया, उसके बाद नहीं हुआ ढंग से. Never once did they blame me. कभी भी, हमेशा they had placed much more trust in me than I ever could, even to today. Yeah, my parents have made many sacrifices. They stopped going out ज़्यादा कि पढ़ाई में थोड़ा disturbance ना हो.
Right.
My brother also is a big pillar of strength. I think I learned how not to take pressure. I should learn how not to take pressure from him. He's a very chilled out guy.
See, there is a learning from every place.
Yeah, exactly.
Your father is into defense, right?
Yes.
So
he's
transferable job?
Haan ji. Yes, sir. It's a transferable job. I did 10th, 11th, 12th in different schools.
Okay. So how was it in your preparation years?
Preparation years, touchwood, it was almost stable. Earlier, it was in Jaipur. Later on in Delhi.
Okay. So at least for these years, it was stable.
Yes, sir. I was lucky in this matter.
You're lucky enough, right? But then is it really bothering, like when you always keep on shifting places? I just wanted to know like how it happens.
Hanji. Sir, initially it was because I am a very emotional person. I get attached to people too much. And as a child, 6 months before the posting was announced, I used to start bawling. I don't want to leave my friends.
अच्छा, दोस्त बन गए होंगे स्कूल में.
बन गए हैं ये वो. फिर नई जगह जाके एकदम पैन इंडिया पोस्टिंग्स होती हैं तो कल्चर डिफरेंट होता है, सब कुछ डिफरेंट होता है. बट नाउ दैट आई सी इट, आई हैव बीन प्रिविलेज्ड इनफ टू ट्रैवल ऑलमोस्ट to the entire country. अलग-अलग जगह पे I have stayed, right from Northeast to Kashmir to Gujarat, Maharashtra, of course UP, and I am very very lucky. And I have started seeing it this way now that I'm also will be in a transferable job कि you don't lose people as you move from one place, you just keep adding more.
Absolutely, well said.
Yes,
well
sir.
said. And I think that little exposure in all the parts of this country also makes you a better human being.
Yes, sir. It surely does.
Because that rich is this country.
Makes you appreciate the country more.
Absolutely. Flexibility increases, tolerance increases.
Yes, sir.
The way you represent yourself increases. I think there should be some curriculum for traveling also in UPSC.
Definitely should be.
Great. I think we have learned a lot of things from you now. Tell me something right now. The prelims is just a month away,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And last year at this point of time when prelim was 1 month away, what was Ria doing so that some of the students can actually correlate to it,
Yes, sir.
resonate to it, that yes,
Hanji.
let me try doing this at
Yes,
least.
sir.
So what are your advice to someone who is looking at the prelims which is just a month away?
Yeah. So coming to the first part of the question, what was Ria doing? 16th April को वो announce हुआ था.
Results.
हाँ, तो रो तो मैं ली थी. But I was very distracted. I tried to open the book, हो नहीं पा रहा था मुझसे, honestly speaking, कि पढ़ाई में मन ही नहीं लग रहा इधर उधर. So I spoke to a friend of mine. So he studies a lot, he studies well. I spoke to him like, कितना हो गया तेरा? And then he told me, and he's like, okay, I'll call you back. I sat and studied for 5 hours. It's like competition
works. Competition works in UPSC.
Yes, because he's not the only one preparing. There are lakhs. So that is what happened.
See, I'll tell you one thing. One of my friend, he told me way back that UPSC is not only about how good you are in studies. It is equally important how bad your competition is.
That is true.
Yes.
And coming to the second part, what should be done in the last month? Firstly, hold your nerves, please, because people who crack in this 1 month, and there will be many who will crack, will be out of the race automatically. So you take an edge there itself if you stay calm. Secondly, please stick to the basic resources. Don't go around running behind new stuff. कि वो आपने जो 10 चीज़ें नहीं पढ़ी होंगी उनमें से जो सबने नहीं पढ़ी है उसमें से अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं आया इट वोंट मेक और ब्रेक यू, बट जो आपने पढ़ा है और रिवाइज नहीं किया और उसमें से इफ यू गेट अ क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग दैट डेफिनेटली विल लोअर योर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग selected. So please revise multiple times, revise whatever you have read already multiple times. Secondly, 70 to 80% according to me right now should be focused on static, only 20 to 30 on current. Don't run
Yes.
behind too much current. And thirdly, PYQs as guide. Please do as many PYQs. Please revise the notes that you might have made for PYQs as much as possible. That will definitely help you. And last में I think मेडिटेट करते रहो, थोड़ा भागते भागते रहो, खेलते कूदते रहो, जिससे माइंड थोड़ा फ्रेश रहे. या बिकॉज आई यूज टू टेक आउट अराउंड 1.5 hours every day for workout.
Even during the exam time.
Even during the exam time.
That's
Mostly.
great. That's great. That's really great. Great. So Riya, I think we have had a awesome interaction.
Thank you
Our
so much.
students
Sir.
will learn a lot from you, and we can see actually a good officer being made on the way.
I'll try my
So,
best.
Absolutely. And I think Maharashtra is your first state
Hanji.
preference,
Yes,
right? So we'll see good amount of then changes coming in Maharashtra once you're posted there.
Try.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much
very
for
much
having
the
me, sir.
interaction.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.